Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. How we can actually get this function straight from the TikTok support team. First of all guys, let's launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile. Then you want to click on the three lines at the top right corner. And you want to click on the last option, which is settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, you want to scroll all the way down to report a problem. You click on report a problem, and here you will have the option to submit your individual issue. You don't select none of these, no popular issues, no topics. You just go all the way down and you click submit a report. Here's where the magic happens. You want to make sure that you really engage of what Twitter You really want to make sure that engage and put information that is important for TikTok. First of all, you want to be very polite. Hi there. I was wondering why I cannot go live on TikTok. Then you want to show them that you're actually a real influential creator. My followers are really looking for my live stream. Okay, you want to show them that you have something to offer and there is a huge demand. You have followers and they're looking for you. Also, you want to show them that you know exactly what you want to do. You want to live stream. Also, you can include the final piece in which you can say that currently you are streaming on other social medias, right? But your large or like main focus is TikTok. So why this is so important? This is very important because now you highlight the main pinpoints. You're influential creator, you're new to the platform, you have an audience, which means there is a demand, and of course you're into actually promoting live stream. Because remember, the original theme and goal at the end of the path for TikTok is to be in some way competitor to Twitch and Twitch streamers. So this is something that they're looking for more people who will be streaming, more people interested in going live. So if you're one of those people, they are going to give you this feature. And I did my own due diligence and research, and I found out that 90% of the people who submit message similar to this, they got their function opt in the period between 3 to 5 days. So 3 to 5 days after you submit your message, if everything looks good, if they really want you to be live streaming, they're going to give you this feature, because this feature is available if you have 1000 followers, but this doesn't mean that you're not allowed to have this feature if you're under 1000. So it's allowed if they choose to give you this function under 1000 followers. For more information like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.